Let's grow some wheat. Let's drag the part to the right place. Keep up the good work. Let's put the refueling gun in the tank. Look at the indicator. It shows how much fuel there is in the machine. Hooray! Let's sample the soil for nutrients. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Keep it up. First, let's assemble a fertilizer sprayer truck. Done! Now we need to fuel the fertilizer sprayer truck. That's all. Let's apply mineral fertilizer into the soil. Let's wash the fertilizer sprayer truck. Keep it up. First, let's assemble a plow tractor. Don't stop. First, let's fuel the plow tractor. Hooray! Let's remove the remains of dry plants. Now let's wash the plow tractor. Amazing! Let's assemble a pre-sowing unit. Hooray! Let's fuel the pre-sowing unit. Hooray! Let's prepare the soil for sowing. Let's assemble a covered truck. Done! Let's fuel the covered truck. Keep up the good work. Let's buy wheat seeds. To assemble a seeding machine. Ready. Prepare the seeds and sow the field. First, let's assemble a rotary spreader truck. Keep up the good work. Now we need to fuel the rotary spreader truck. That's all. Let's fertilize wheat sprouts. First, let's assemble a harrow tractor. Keep up the good work. Let's fuel a harrow tractor. Hooray! Let's clear the field from weeds. We need to assemble a sprayer truck. Don't stop. We need to fuel the sprayer truck. Ready. It hasn't rained for a long time and the soil is dry. We need to water it. Let's assemble a grain harvester. Hooray! First, let's fuel the grain harvester. Amazing! The weeders are already ripe. It's time to reap them. to assemble a pickup harvester. That's all. And now we need to fuel the pickup harvester. Amazing! Let's thresh the reaped wheaters and load them into the grain truck. We need to assemble a grain truck. That's all. Flour from the collected grains. Let's assemble a flour truck. Hooray! Let's fuel the flour truck. That's all. Let's bake bread from the flour and bring it to the store. Great! We've managed to grow wheat and bake delicious bread.